Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Anton Maroon, and we are going to be doing the A minor scale. Okay, so if you watched my first video, you already know the C major scale. This scale is very similar. Let's get started. Alright, the A minor scale. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you the short answer to how to play the A minor scale, and in another video I'm going to cover the why and the how and the more in-depth answer to how to find minor scales. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to start on the A note, which you could find if you locate a landmark like this middle note in the set of black keys, and you go one note to the right. That's our A. We're going to play every note in sequence. From this A to that A and back down. Ready? One more time. Now, if you missed what I did here, I crossed my thumb or my one finger right over, landed on that D, and then coming back, I cross my three finger over to this C and end on that A. Left hand, we're going to start on our 5 finger, and we're going to move 5, 4. One more time. Now again, if you missed it, we're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross my 3 finger to the F. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Cross my thumb over to this E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you put both hands together, this is what it should sound like. Faster. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.